So this is problem 1 of section 12 on parabola properties. First, what we're going to want to find out is the equation, the vertex, the focus, the directrix, and then we're going to graph it. So the first thing that we need to start out with is the equation, which is y k equals a times x minus h squared. So it's going to look like this. And our first equation is going to be y equals 1 over 8. So 1/8 is going to be our a value. And then times x minus 4 squared. It's going to look like this. And so our first thing is we're going to need to find the vertex. So V is for vertex. The x value is h. So our h value is -4. So you're going to do the opposite of that. So it would just be 4. And then k, which is, your k value is always going to be 0. So just you can plug in a 0. And it'll look just like that. The vertex is right here. Then we're going to want to find the focus. And your h value is just going to stay the same. So it's going to be 4 again. And then what you're going to do to find the y value of that is you're going to do 1 over 4 times your a value, and our a value is 1/8. So 1/8. And so then we're going to take our calculator. 4 times 1 divided by 8 is 0.5. Then you're going to do 1 divided by 0.5, which is 2. So that's going to go right here. Then what you're going to want to find is the directrix. And your directrix is just going to be, the equation is y equals -1/4 over a. So it's going to be the opposite of what you got before. So our directrix is going to be -2. So y equals -2. So now that we have everything that we need, we're going to want to graph it. So I'm just going to... So first we're going to want to make our graph. So this is 0, 0 right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, 2, 3, 4. And then what we're going to want to do is look at our focus, and we're going to look at the x value. So it would be 4. So we're going to go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a mark on it, and then we're going to go up 2. This mark just shows us like where our parabola is going to go around and whether it's going to go up or down. So our parabola is going to go up. And then where the directrix is, it's -2. So you're just going to go down 1, 2, and make a dashed line. So right now it's going to look like this. And then now we have to figure out like where the parabola it's going to go. So we're going to make an x, a t-chart. And what you're going to want to do is look and see just what number is like closest to the 4. So we're going to go 3 and then 5. 3. And so now that we have that, we're going to plug it in to our original equation, which was y equals 1/8 parentheses x minus 4 squared. So we're going to do x, which is our 3. So 3 minus 4. And then we're going to do squared. So 3 minus 4 is -1 squared, which is 1. And then we're going to multiply it by our a value, so 1/8. You're going to do the same thing with the 5. You're going to do 5 minus 4 squared, which is 1, and then times 1/8, which is 1/8. And so the point should just go right by the 3 and by the 5. So when it comes down to it, this is what it's going to look like. And where's the graph? And here's the graph. And that was problem number 1.